friends, welcome back to my channel. Like my birdhouse, I will show you how to make it. Now the birdhouse is ready. Let's feed our bird. Millets, corn. I was waiting and waiting for birds to come, but they did not show up. You know what I did to attack birds? I kept a bowl of water. Now see what happens. Yay! Our bird friends are here. I love bugs, birds, and I miss very much, you know. I feel happy to watch them. You can also make like this and enjoy watching your birds.